How to fix Apple Weather application not working on your iOS device. Welcome back everyone to How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be going through some general troubleshooting steps that might come in handy whenever your Apple Weather application is not working. So make sure you watch the video till the end. The first thing you'll need to do is to improve your internet connection. The Weather app relies on internet data to fetch updates. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Another step is to simply restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power switch for your particular iPhone and then restart it again. After you do that, you'll often clear temporary glitches that might be causing the app to malfunction. Now the next thing you can do is to force close your app. Open up your Weather application and swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This will bring up the app switcher. Push off your app switcher upwards and release it in order to force close the app. Now, open the app again, and this time you will be able to fix your issue. There are some other steps you can take if the problem still persists. Go ahead and open the Settings app from your app drawer, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Tap on the Location Service option at the top and make sure that is enabled. Once you enable the location service, scroll down from the apps and then look for the Weather app. Ensure that you have marked the location access and allowed them. Ensure that the button is enabled for Weather and you can now get back. Open up the Weather application again, and this time you will be able to fix your issue. Now if the application still persists to malfunction, you can also opt out for updating the iOS software that you are using. Unlike most pre-installed apps, you can also delete and reinstall the Weather app from your system. So those were some of the fixes you could take in order to fix your Apple Weather application not working. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.